compensated for what they do on a daily basis. They've been without a friggin' contract and getting any real money for 10 years. They've been, what they offered them was an insult because they're paying again and again and again. When is their time that they're actually going to get something? Chief Executive Officer Robert Milton went away with $100 million. Where's their money? You know, guy called Brewer, $17 million. Where's their money? You know, they'd like to be able to send their kids to hockey and their daughters to ballet. They'd like to resume that. Milton sending his kids to private schools in England. Where's their money? That's all they're asking. Right the wall! No, this was but it's there's the radio now. Fair deal now. Fair deal now. Want to get back to the deal now. Pressure's on. Fair deal now. Fair deal now. Fair deal now. We are ready to move now. Fair deal now. Absolutely. We are letting the public know that we have legal rights and that we are in a dispute with this employer, and we want them to know it. We want them to know that this is not smooth sailing, and we are not happy with the way that this dispute is being handled, either by Air Canada or by the government of the day.
Sir, what do you represent the workers?
We represent the baggage handlers, the mechanics, and cargo.
What point are you at in your contract right now?
Well, right now, we've had an agreement that was taken out for ratification, failed ratification, and right now we're nowhere because we don't have anyone.
So Lisa Ray just told you there's no strike, right?
Well, no, what she did is she sent us to the CLRB to delay the strike, to find out whether or not, by these guys working, whether there's a health and safety issue. I mean, come on, 87.4 was never meant for that. So this is a delaying tactic, that's all it's doing. And you know what it's done? It's taken the pressure off the company to come to the table and get us a fair deal. These people all want a fair deal, and they want it now.
How long will you be out here today?
Well, we're going to be here for an hour or so anyway.
Yeah,
I just want to say to the Canadian public, come out and support us. We want a fair deal for these people, and we want it now. Okay, brothers and sisters, first of all, this is a fabulous rally. And if this ain't going to send Air Canada and the government of the day a message that you're as mad as hell and you're not going to take it anymore. I gotta tell you, your union today launched an appeal in order to challenge Lisa Ray's right. Secondly, we had some idiot this morning whose name is Levitt on CTV, an anti-labor lawyer, who said, and I'm quoting this, they may have a secret deal. I'm here to tell you there is no deal. We haven't even got a goddamn thing on the table. The last time we met the corporation, they took what was on the table off the table. Believe me, that wasn't a bad thing. Why? Because you rejected that, and we're going back to get what you want. millions. When is your turn? Now! When I have... No!
No more talk.
I want to thank you all for coming out, and moreover, I want to thank you for your support of your bargaining committee to get back there and face to face to say to this corporation,